Catl Battery 101, Catl Battery Manufacturing. Catl, or Contemporary Amperex Technology Co Limited, is a leading global supplier of battery technologies, particularly for electric vehicles, EVs. Here's a summary of Catl battery features, drawbacks, known issues with potential fixes, pro tips for usage, and alternatives. Features asterisk, high energy density, Catl batteries can reach up to 500 Wh/kg. Rapid charging, some models like the Catl battery can charge to 80% in just 15 minutes. Innovative technology, utilizes ultra-high energy density cathode materials and innovative anode materials. Drawbacks asterisk, dependence on Chinese technology, concerns about reliance on Chinese technology and potential vulnerabilities in geopolitical tensions. Quality and safety standards, there have been questions about the quality and safety standards of Catl batteries. Known issues and fixes asterisk, security concerns, some entities have phased out Catl batteries due to security concerns, opting for technology from domestic or allied nation suppliers. Pro tips asterisk, battery care, to ensure longevity and performance, it's important to follow proper charging practices and temperature management. Alternatives asterisk, sodium-based batteries, offer potential cost reductions and are being explored by companies as an alternative to lithium-based batteries. Lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries, known for their safety and long cycle life. Lithium titanate, LTO, batteries, feature fast charging and high thermal stability. For the most current and detailed information, it's best to consult with Catl directly or refer to the latest industry publications. Remember to consider your specific energy needs and application requirements when choosing a battery technology. If you're considering purchasing, always ensure you're getting the right product for your needs and verify the supplier's credibility.